Welcome back to our Global iTech Solution GITS Cypress channel, lecture 1 or lecture 00. So today we'll be discussing about how to install NodeJS and how to install Java. So in order to starting our Cypress automation, this is a pre-requirement. We need to have NodeJS installed in our machine and Java installed in our machine. So why Node.js? Because Cypress is a JavaScript and TypeScript based automation suite. That's why it is required a Node.js as a backend. Why Java installation we need? We need the Java installation because of we'll be using LEA reports. So for that LEA reporting, that is a pre-requirement as a Java installation. Let's get started. Do the installation. So we'll be following some instructions I put together into the website. This website it's hosted on the GitHub page. So now if you go to the docs, then you'll be seeing there it's called a Java section. Once you come to the Java section, you can install Java. There is a reference link. So Java means a JDK. The JDK we need it, not the Java. So we need a JDK for our Windows and for our Mac. So on the reference sections, if you click on the Open JDK, it will take you to the JDK 14, all the JDK releases basically. So you can click any one of them, whatever you need to install, but most likely like the updated one. Some of the company required a specific version. You can download the specific version from the list. But as a latest, you can download or install JDK 20, JDK 19, or JDK 21, any one of them. So let's say I'm going to be download a JDK 11, SE11, or Java. Those are the Java SE, but we're not going to be installing or downloading Java SE. We'll be installing the JDK. So JDK, let's say JDK 19. This is our JDK 19. Like now it says over here there is a couple of versions, zip versions for the Windows you can download and install, for the Mac OS as a tar version. So now if I'm using Mac, but feel free to download any one of them which is matches on your operating systems. Let's download the tar, right? Once I have the tar version of it, so this is the tar. So same thing, once you have it, you can double click on it. Then it will open up the JDK, right? So this is our JDK version basically. So this JDK, there is a many way you can do that. There's a many options. Now going back, once you download, then going back to the instructions, there's a multiple way you can install in your machine. So for the Windows, it is pretty simple. Once you have it, JDK in your machine, then you can just start following the step, installing JDK on your machine. So go to your environment variable by clicking on or by tabbing on Windows button on the keyboard and type environment variable. Right, it will take you to this screen. Then follow the steps, edit the path, add the path, then just like make sure that is inside, it is being installed by typing in the cmd command prompt java ---- version. This is pretty much. For the for the Mac machine, you can install Homebrew. Through the Homebrew, you can search for JDK, then you can install the version of it, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, anything you want. Then you can see on the terminal or you can verify on the terminal it is there or not. Also, you can manually install. You downloaded the JDK, then that JDK you have to export into a bash profile, right? So you can add or edit bash profile and follow the instructions. Then once you added it, once you saved it, then just run java --version on the terminal. This is pretty much for the Java and downloading the Node.js. So this is also easy. If you go to the Google and search for Node.js, then it will giving you the options, the first options as the Node.js download. So click on the download. Then based on your operating system, Windows installer, Mac installer, you can just click on it. It will download. Then double click on the download file. Couple of clicks, then it will install in the machine. This is the two software we needed in order to starting our Cypress automation UI or API, either one. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Stay tuned for upcoming lecture for the rest of this course.